the Education Scotland Act.
Using his influence, he tirelessly lobbied both in Scotland and in Westminster. And on the 5th of August 1872, the Education Scotland Act was passed. It received royal assent and became law.
He was awarded for those efforts a role in the Scotch Education Board, and he was appointed by Queen Victoria.
That's amazing.
As the secretary of the board. So he was the main mover, shaker that made the stuff happen. And what they had to do was set up over 1,000 local school boards, and they immediately started a really ambitious programme of building new schools, particularly like here in Glasgow, where there was a real need for them. But perhaps most crucially, it became compulsory for all children aged 5 to 13 to go to school, to learn reading, writing and arithmetic, including girls. And I think that was something that was really transformative.
I love him.
Wow.
What an incredible man. Oh my God, that is just extraordinary, you know. And how this sort of running theme of education and giving back to people, it runs so strong through the family, and to know he had such a huge part to play in educating.
Well, to be there right at the nascence of education in Scotland for all.
And also
including girls.
Yeah, it's including girls, because at the time that would have been...
it's amazing.
It's brilliant. It's brilliant. What a great man.
The generations and generations of people who benefited from what he did.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. I wonder if my mum ever... It's such a shame she's not with us anymore, because that would have literally just made her life. She would have been, I mean, so moved. I think I'm getting moved now, but so touched. I think everything would have made sense to her, knowing that. Because she had such a love of education. She just wanted to make a difference, and she loved children. She just wanted to be around them. It's so funny, everything just falls into place, doesn't it?
Brilliant. Amazing.
That's lovely, thank you very much for that.
James's dreams were realised. Now, all Scottish children had the right to go to school. Thousands of teachers were trained, new schools were built, and among them, the school they're in, Garnet Bank Primary.